Italimpianti Orafi and Tera Automation are partners specialized in the design and construction of automatic lines for processing precious metals. As Italimpianti Orafi, we began our adventure in the jewellery sector in 1972 in Arezzo, the city of gold, with the aim of designing, manufacturing and supplying cutting-edge machinery. We have made great strides, like the one we made in 2013, when we joined forces with the dynamic and creative spirit of Tera Automation. Today, Italimpianti and Tera work side by side to offer innovative solutions for the treatment of precious metals, both integrated and fully automated, to meet the needs of our customers. Our areas of expertise cover the entire precious metals chain, from the treatment of raw materials to the production of investment bars or jewellery products. The combination of Tera and Italimpianti technologies, entirely designed in-house, allows turnkey solutions which include engineering, assay laboratories, melting, chemical and electrochemical refining, water and fume treatment, automatic production of ingots, as well as minting lines and lines for the production of jewellery. In 2018, Tera Automation and Italimpianti completed the world's first automated line for the continuous processing of precious metals, from the production of precious metal grains to the packaging of certified bars, the T-line. T-line is an automated module line in which each module can also work as a standalone machine and can be integrated over time, depending on customers' requirements. Understanding the customer's needs by proposing suitable and technologically advanced solutions, carefully following each phase of the production process, from the realization of the project to installation, testing and commissioning. These are the objectives we pursue. Supplying machinery and turnkey lines has a strong customization component, allowing us to tailor proposals based on specific needs of each customer, starting from the refining of the alloys and taking all relevant parameters into account, including volumes to be processed, level of automation, available space, and so forth. In addition to supplying machinery, our support structure includes engineering packages and installation, startup, training, and know-how transfer for the customer's personnel. This approach drives us to the continuous search for innovative solutions. To date, we are proud to have 18 patents to our credit, but we are constantly focusing on the next innovative update to offer our customers. Tera and Italimpianti are the world's leading manufacturers of machinery for precious metals, with over 50 years of experience, oriented towards the most advanced technologies and Industry 4.0. Together, we aim to grow our capabilities to deliver products and services beyond our customers' expectations.